Hey guys, NOYCE here with today's daily recap. So I'm down $2 today, which is around 0.4%. And so far I realized the month hasn't been too hot. It's like one green day, one red day, one green day, one red day. So it's been pretty frustrating so far. Like I was expecting, since it's already 7th October, for it to have some nice momentum move. However, it's always like some nice move and then you will fade all the way. So I took a lot of trade today. Probably over traded, since based on my trading journal, I'm usually better when I'm trading 3 or less tickers. And this is way more than 3, since I'm always finding the next opportunity. And like I mentioned, trading is like farting. If you have to force it, it's probably poop, So it's pretty awful. I'll just go through the trades. CNET, probably a pre-market trade. Yeah. So I think it had some news, so I added at 1385. Oh, the graph is so hard to see. Yeah, so I sold off half at 139 and then the other half at another area, since I sold off the first pop at 139 around this area. So hoping for it to continue, and then when it's continuing, I think the high was 144, but I did not sell there. I wanted it to go higher, but since it's not really holding, it's coming back down to 139 this area again. Then I got up. Since it's narrowing the view up, I'm thinking it could fail, since that this is just a news pop and I'm pretty late to it. It went up to 147, but then yeah, basically nothing until the open, but I did not trade already after that. So nonetheless, it's still a decent move. Pretty small, like just a 5-cent move, but a green trade is a green trade. Next will be CYRN. Same thing. I think I traded it near the open here. So yep, I added 615 for a big downtrend break. I don't think you can see it here, but there was a huge downtrend, so I added here for it to break the downtrend. I didn't draw the trend lines here since I'm using moomoo for the charting. So yeah, added at 610 for the downtrend break, sold off then at half of it at 615, then let the remaining run into the open. So where's the chart? Damn it. Yeah, so after selling off 10 here, then in the open I let it consolidate, then pop. So the first pop, half of it again at 632, which is a pretty nice 21-cent move. Then I let the remaining run, but seems like it can't cross the view up here, so I sold it on the way down at 81618 around this area. Then yep, basically not much movement from it. This is how the tickers are today. JAM, pretty nice. I think I did okay with it if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's all really nice trade. So after a news pop, I added at this area at 740. So the first pop, sold a couple of them here. Yeah, as you can see. So pretty nice 10-cent move here. Then after that, this is a mistake. I wanted to add VYGR, but my TDL was still at JN, so I punched in 3 at 714. Really bad. This is then immediately I have to sell it at 684. I did not want to take this trade, but I guess this was a silly mistake. I was still on this ticker, so immediately I gave back $1 here and the remaining one ticker. So this was my biggest loss today. I lost $1 plus here. If not, I could be green today, but because of this ticker, I was down $1 plus by this one mistake, and because of that I dug deeper holes. If not, I would have walked away green. So a little unfortunate, but thankfully I'm doing this TDA challenge with a small account, so all these mistakes aren't that costly. It's $1, but yeah, it might be $1 in everyone's eye, but to me it's like minus 0.2%. That's all that matters to me, since all these are just my commission fees when I'm trading my main account, so I'm okay with it, but I don't like to lose. And punching it wrongly here, really costly, silly mistake. Lost $1 just here to give back all my profit, and this got me right into the open. VYGR, this was the one that I wanted to buy. So yeah, in the open, and this ticker, yeah, I had to punch it late. I got in at 395, then the highest was 398, but I wanted to get in around 386 if I'm not wrong. However, I was on the wrong ticker, so I have to punch it at 395 here. So I did not sell this pop here and had to sell it at a loss. However, later on I see it's curling back up, so I added here again for this downtrend break, here to here, as you can see. Same thing, it didn't draw the trend line here, but you get what I mean. There's a downtrend here. So adding in 385, 386, then so then here, just a small 3 to 4 cent scalp. As you can see, it did not hold. Very choppy day, but yeah, it's because of that misclick at Jen. If not, I would have a better view here. Then I probably would have sold the opening pop, and then I'll be green for the day. So unfortunate. VLCN, I think this is a super risky play I took, but gave me pretty nice profit. Yeah, I couldn't see this. That's odd. Yeah, so basically I got in at 1160. Just one ticker in the open. Then I sold it at 1230. Really nice move in my opinion. So yeah, same thing. Is going up. So I added this candle for it to make a new high, which it did. So sort of at 1230. Very nice and simple trade. And I immediately got out because I'm seeing the level 2 is not gonna hold. So yeah, as usual, it dipped down. So this VLCN is probably my best trade today. And oh my bad. Where is it? Yeah, NURO. And bad trade if I'm not wrong. And why are these in the middle? Yeah, so yeah, actually it's a good trade, so pretty odd. But yeah, got in here for it to break a new high at 996. So at 996. Simple one trade there. Then I failed this. Yeah, I did at 694 for it to break 7 again. It's probably trying to break 7 for like the 7 or 8 times. So yeah, as usual, it failed the 7 test. So I got out at 673, lost $1 here. Then basically it fades. So pretty odd. What's the other ticker that I lost? And VYGR. Means I took another trade. That's odd. Oh, it seems like this VYGR is a win. Okay, so that turns out to be a win. So yeah, my last trade was any. And yep, failed this. So this basically dug a deeper hole, just another $1 here. So if not for the careless mistake at Jen, which could make me green, and I'll probably be up $2 and not be down $1, and then forcing this one last trade and be down another $1. So it's not about the P&L, it's more about the percentage of a win-loss. So really frustrating. Like, this is because of one careless mistake. Then I have to end my day rate. It might sound like just $2, but a red day is still a red day. And P&L is what I'm focused on. It's all the numbers. So down 0.4% today, and it's Thursday. I was hoping today I could go in big. Guess not. So just gonna walk away and not dig a deeper hole. Hopefully tomorrow might see some momentum. Else I'll probably just sit on my hand since it's Friday. I do not want to risk Friday going ahead. So yeah, that's all for today's daily recap. I'm down $2, 0.4%, and because of a careless mistake on Jen. So hopefully you guys can learn something from here, because just by going through the recap myself, I learned a lot, and I should probably be careful with this. Yep, and also try not to look at too many tickets at the same time, since it's hard to monitor, and that's why I'll be keying in wrongly. So to better trading days ahead, and as usual guys, stay safe, trade safe, peace.